Did you know that many people are starting to celebrate Indigenous Peoples Day on October 12th? We are going to celebrate by learning about the country Guatemala with the Chef Koochaloo app. Hello! Hola!
Hola!
Welcome to our Chef Koochaloo kitchen!
Welcome to kitchen.
Chef Koochaloo provides interactive lessons that can teach you to cook a new delicious local dish while practicing your science, math, geography, and language skills. For more details,
Click in the description box.
my name is Teacher Malia.
My name is Teacher Elijah.
This is Elijah, and today we're going to be doing a lesson from Guatemala. And Elijah is Guatemalan. We are going to give you an example of Chef Koochaloo's lesson from Guatemala, first grade. The recipe we will be making is called Rellenitos de Plátanos. Be sure to pause the video when you see a question and answer it. Keep in mind that this recipe is meant to be done with adult supervision. Yeah. Let's go through the ingredient list and the cooking materials you will need. Before we get cooking, let's select Guatemala in the Chef Koochaloo app to learn some fast facts about the country. The capital of Guatemala is Guatemala City. The population of the country is 17.2 million. The languages spoken are Spanish and 21 Mayan languages. Guatemala is located in Central America, south of the Mexican border, and shares a border with Belize, Honduras, and El Salvador. The landscape of Guatemala includes beaches and volcanoes. Guatemala was once the home of the Mayan civilization. This civilization was very advanced. Today, there are many pyramids and ancient sites around the country that people can visit and learn about this ancient civilization. Ingredients: 2 yellow ripe plantains, 4 tablespoons of sugar, vegetable oil, honey, optional, cinnamon, 1 can of refried beans, and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. It's question time! Guatemala is located on the continent of... If you said North America, you are right. Tools: cutting board, tablespoon, little chef knife, big chef knife, pan for boiling, frying pan, and a plate with paper towels. Pause the video now to learn some history about Guatemala. Step 1. Cut off the ends of the plantains, then cut each plantain into quarters. Step 2. Place plantains in a pot to boil, adding sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Why did early people travel from modern-day Alaska to Central America? If you said to find a warmer climate, you are correct. Step 3. Cook the plantains for 15 to 20 minutes or until you can stick a knife through them. What ancient civilization occupied Guatemala? If you said Mayan, you were correct. In a frying pan, add the sugar, refried beans, and a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Cook the bean mixture until it looks like a paste. Pause the video now to read about the science of frying food.
It's actually chocolate. I like it. It's yummy, yummy.
Obsidian is a natural resource the ancient Mayan peoples found in Guatemala. From the picture below, what do you think obsidian was used for? If you said fishing and hunting, you're correct. Peel the plantains. Mash them into a smooth paste, making sure there are no lumps. Take a lime-sized ball of plantain paste and flatten it in your hand. Then form a little bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of the chocolate bean mixture and close the bowl so it forms an egg-shaped ball with the chocolate bean mixture inside. Fry the stuffed plantains until they have a light golden brown color, turning them a few times until they are uniformly cooked. Elijah and I chose to use coconut oil instead of vegetable oil for our recipe. Pause the video now to read about our Take Action activity for first grade. When the plantains turn golden brown, place them on a plate with paper towels. A healthier option than sugar is
Honey.
honey. So we're going to put a little bit of honey on our Rellenitos de Plátanos. Thank you. Thank you for cooking with us today. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, and click in the link below to learn more about Chef Koochaloo. Is it good? Buen provecho! Enjoy your plátanos.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Click on the survey below to let us know how we can do better. To test your knowledge of Guatemala, be sure to check out our quiz in the description.